Well, look what came in the mail today. The new spray gun arrived. It actually looks pretty cool. I mean, the quality of it looks good. Can't really tell by just looking at how polished and clean it looks if it's going to spray good or not, but the quality looks there. I've been using Eastwood gun for mostly primer, and I actually used an old vintage black conventional gun to spray the firewall. That was quite some time ago. But I'm going to retire the Eastwood gun to primers, and I'm going to use this one for base clear coat. It came with two tips, a 1.3 and a 1.4 tips and rod, and it came with a really huge cup. It's huge. It's like a third bigger than the one I'm using now. And it came with kind of a cool little lid, plastic lid, with a little vent here that you can plug. Not sure why you'd want to plug it. It's got to be open to spray. And it came with some tools. And I had to actually email them because I didn't know what all these little plastic pieces were. There's two of each color. And what they do is they snap on right here. So people that have numerous spray guns, if you got one for primer, one for base coat, one for clear, you can mark them with the different colors. I don't think I'll be needing those. But anyway, it came with a cleaning brush, a tool, instructions, and one more thing that it came with that I thought was pretty cool. And it's basically one of these headband lights, but it's called a gun bud, and it's very, very bright. And one thing I like about it is it's LED, and it's got a rechargeable battery in it, which is also replaceable, and you can just plug it into your computer and charge it up. And this slips over the cup like that, so you're literally seeing the surface that you're spraying, and it'd be great for when you don't have as much light as you'd wish, because really you want to see how the paint is laying on at each pass to make sure you're getting full coverage, like, you know, 50% overlap or whatever it takes. But this sucker is really bright. I mean, it's got 3 or 4 settings, and I just charged it up, and it's pretty wicked, man. So that'll be cool. I've never had anything quite like that. I thought about putting my headband on one, but I never thought it would really work. But this thing looks like it'll be plenty bright for that purpose. So that's cool. It'll be a while before I actually get a chance to use it. But it came today, and I'm kind of excited about giving it a try. And we'll be getting the old sedan door out, my practice door. We'll be sanding it down, and we'll be shooting some paint on that to see how this gun works. So that might be a few weeks yet, maybe even longer, I'm not sure. But anyway, I was kind of excited that this came in the mail today. Happy spraying! And if I still can't paint good with this, then I guess it's me. It's not the paint, not the compressor, it's not the gun. It's me. So we'll see how it goes.